We have the 4 in reverse. We also have forgive, sense ko karmic. We also have perfect in either way. We also have the music in reverse. Gusto sabihin ng Panginoon, na-sense ko kasi about to sa mga excess na karmic, okay? Gusto nila bumalik sa iyong buhay para mapatawad mo sila at para magsama uli kayo. But with the forgive in either way, ibig sabihin lang nun, nasa 50-50 kasi syempre nakadepende sa'yo if you will forgive them and accept them back. Because they do want to be near you. As you can see with the 4 being in reverse. So yung kinakabahala ko dito is yung perfect natin ay naka in either way. Kasi yung iba sa kanila ay hindi nagbagong buhay. We have this one, busy. We also have the bless in either way. Yung ibig sabihin na ito is, kung sino man ang tinutukoy ng Panginoon, itong tao na to, ginagamit ka lang sa pera noon. Okay? Siya siguro yung sumimot ng iyong yaman. Kasi nakita ko with a busy here, siguro ikaw dati yung breadwinner, or dati, may work ka, tapos drain niya yung money mo. Kung ano man ang kinikita mo. So, you have the T. And we also have the beautiful. Okay, siya ay sip-sip. Okay? Actually, itong karmic na to, nagpapakalat ng chismis about you, which is beautiful, na chismis, okay? Pero, agenda niya yon para bumalik muli sa iyong buhay. Okay, but yet, I feel like with the energy being here, nasa-sense ko talaga na binablock ng Diyos yung kanyang throat. Kasi, yung iba sa kanila, hindi maganda yung intention. Baka yung intention nila ay ganun pa rin, magnakaw ng yaman sa'yo. So, ingat lang kayo guys, lalo na kung nagamit na kayo before ng taong ito. Huwag na kayong papauto uli. Okay, so anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation, and God bless all of you.